Hello students, welcome back. Today we will see the 14th lesson of science, measurement and effect of heat. First of all, we will see what is meant by heat. Actually, heat is a form of energy which flows from object at a high temperature to an object at a low temperature. It is a one form of energy. Okay, and it flows from higher temperature to the lower temperature. Now SI unit of heat is joule and CGS unit is calorie, and the value of 1 calorie is equivalent to 4.18 joule. Okay, now sources of heat. There are different sources of heat, but among that some sources we will study in this lesson, like sun, earth, chemical energy, electrical energy, atomic energy, air. Okay, first of all we will see about the sun. Sun is the biggest and richest source of the heat, and that heat is received by the earth. A large amount of heat is generated due to the nuclear fission taking place in its center. Exactly nuclear fission में क्या होता है? In this process, hydrogen nuclei fuse together to form a helium nuclei. हाइड्रोजन के न्यूक्लियाई फ्यूज होकर उससे हमें हेलियम न्यूक्लियाई मिलते हैं और उससे लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी क्रिएट हो जाती है. सम ऑफ इट रीचेज द अर्थ इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लाइट एंड हीट. ऐसे हमें सन से हीट मिल जाती है. नाउ सेकेंड इज द अर्थ. एज द टेम्परेचर एट द सेंटर ऑफ द अर्थ इज हाई, the earth is also a source of heat, and this heat is called as the geothermal energy. जो हीट अर्थ के अंदर से हमें मिलती है उस हीट को हम कहते हैं, और उस एनर्जी को हम कहते हैं जियोथर्मल एनर्जी. नाउ केमिकल एनर्जी, जो वुड, कोल, पेट्रोल बर्न हो जाते हैं उस में जब केमिकल रिएक्शन हो जाती है बिटवीन फ्यूल्स एंड ऑक्सीजन, दैट टाइम हीट इज जनरेटेड. ओके, मीन्स व्हेन फ्यूल्स लाइक वुड, कोल, पेट्रोल एक्सेट्रा बर्न, there is a chemical reaction between the fuels and oxygen, and heat energy is generated. Then electrical energy, as you know that in our daily life you have seen several equipments which produce heat energy like electric press, electric heater, etc. Then atomic energy, the energy which obtained from the atoms. Huge amount of heat is produced in a very short time when the nuclei of some elements like uranium, thorium, etc. undergo fission. At that time atomic energy is produced. Okay, and finally air. A large amount of heat is present in the air around us. All these are the sources of heat. Now next point we will focus on heat and temperature. These two are the different terms. So we will see the difference between heat and temperature. Heat describes the transfer of thermal energy between molecules within a system, and temperature describes the average kinetic energy of molecules within a material system. Heat describes the transfer of thermal energy, and temperature describes the average kinetic energy. Heat is measured in the joule and temperature is measured in the degree Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit or Rankine. Means heat deals with the thermal energy, or how energy moves or flows, but in the temperature it deals with molecular kinetic energy and average kinetic energy of molecules within a material. Then relation between degree Celsius, Kelvin and degree Fahrenheit is F minus 32 upon 9 is equal to C upon 5. This is a first relationship. With the help of this formula, we can solve the different types of examples. Now second relation is K is equal to C plus 273.15. Here K means Kelvin, C means degree Celsius. Okay. This is the relation between degree Celsius, Kelvin and degree Fahrenheit. All these are the units of temperature. Okay, thank you.